FanLoveBeauty Facial. I actually cleaned up my face. The only thing is I didn't take off my eye makeup. So let's get started. So inside this one-time use package, you have the seaweed mask full of spirulina and chlorella, which is very moisturizing, and this intensive booster. The intensive booster is made with the night steam night dry Korean ginseng technology. So it is extremely potent to give you the instant skin brightening effect and even out the skin tone as well as soothing. So what you do is you use a bowl. You would empty the content of this seaweed powder, put in the bowl, and you will add the entire content of this intensive booster. And you just mix them together. Until it's a paste. You see? Now you can apply. And the thicker you layer, it is easier to peel it off later. So here it is. I used up the entire content. And I'm just gonna wait for 15 minutes. And this is actually very easy to clean off. You just tissue it off. It's almost time. So let's see. Peel off. So you peel from the edges. After you peel it off, you can use a wet cotton pad to kind of wipe off the excess. Now, you can follow with the Eye Fix for entrepreneurs. This is usually for puffiness under the eyes or for dark circles. So kind of pat it in. Again, you can use the lip balm. Of course, if you prefer the tinted one, it's also available. Now, this is a FanLoveBeauty Facial. How do you like it?